Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to enable Hex Editor in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So first, let's launch the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now on the left hand side, you will get the option extensions. Over here, you need to enter Hex. You'll get this first option, Hex Editor. Select this. Then click on install. Okay, it has got installed. Now let me close this tabs. Okay. Now let's go on the file and let's click on open file. This is a sample text file. I have opened it. Now to check the hexadecimal data of this file, okay, you need to open this same file, do a right click, okay, reopen editor with, it is going to give you the hex editor. Select this, okay. So this is the decoded text and this is the hexadecimal data for this file, okay. Now if I want to change the data, instead of 45 44, let's make this 45. See, it has got changed the decoded text, and if I click on save, Control S, the data has got changed. Now it is showing as the e data. I can change this 55. Okay, if you want, you can delete this. Click on save. Now if I close this file and if I try to open it, click on file, open file, and this messages, click on open. See, the data has got changed. That's how you can modify the hexadecimal data of any file in Visual Studio Code. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.